ambassador, and under the Institute Innovation Council of our Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur, she is going to take one session on fitting idea into lean canvas model. So as you are the final year students, you are making your projects. So how that ideas can be converted into canvas model, that will be told in this session, or you can learn that from this session. So on behalf of Electrical Engineering Department and final year BTech class, we welcome you, madam.
So the topic today that I have selected, fitting idea into a lean canvas model. Because still I will say that in the guide of your class, as well as for 2 batches, as well as within the department, your idea should be such that, because many means after repeated instruction from the sir itself has given the topics for all the students for project. But how to, your project will be said to be successful only when at least out of 20 projects, if one project has been forwarded as a business model or lean canvas model. And that's why in previous batch, who were passed in 2021, we have converted all their projects into a lean canvas model. Then and then only, because you might have observed that whenever you are putting your projects for the Yukti portal, for taking or participating in any type of competition, it is necessary that first title of that, while participating in any competition, what is innovation in that? First question is that. And putting your ideas into innovation format is one of the big issue for you guys. And that's why I have selected this title as putting idea into lean canvas model. So first, in first half, we will see how the idea can be converted. How the idea can be converted. First, how to search the idea, and which parameters should be considered while taking the project idea, and then how the idea should be converted to lean canvas model, and after that lean canvas model to business model. Because as you know that we have received 33 crores fund, so at least it is expected that one startup should be generated through this by one department, and that's why being the innovation ambassador of the Swedish College of Engineering under Innovation Institute Innovation Cell formed by AICTE and the member of Innovation Council, and being an innovation ambassador, I am taking this idea because ultimately aim is to think innovative. So second slide, please. So idea generation technique. So that problem you have faced. First problem is how to search the papers, then how to form the idea, how the idea should be categorized to finalize one idea. On that we will focus, and then how to convert this into a lean canvas model. So idea generation technique. So first, whenever you are selecting any idea for the project, still because last 2 days back only your presentation has been kept, but as TCS time has been postponed slightly, so you are getting 2 more days for your preparation or converting this into a lean canvas model. And that's why purposefully I have taken this, even though my lecture is in the 3rd year, still I have continued with your class. So whenever you are generating any idea, first question should be asked as, and now one thing in that, you should see my PPTs. How my PPTs are there, and while making your synopsis PPT, you should make like this. Less content, only highlighting what should be there. So that whenever a person is talking, who is giving the presentation, he should see your face, not his. Otherwise, we can read the English. 5 whys. What are the 5 whys? How, why, what, all the WH questions. So whenever you are selecting any idea, and that concept is said to be idea rack, it may happen that I will tell my example that sometimes whole day I was doing my PhD work. That time I was in that tension, my output is not coming, what is the problem, etc. But sometimes I was in the bed, or sometimes I was even in the bathroom. That time I realized that if this can be done like this way, my output will come. And then immediately I have made a separate notebook for my PhD work. Immediately I am writing whatever came in my mind by even Marathi, English, any language. This can be done. Whether this can be done. Because afterwards, these ideas are so sparse that afterwards, after 10-15 minutes or a half hour, we don't remember what we thought of. And initially, many times, in the initial period of my PhD, I realized to do something, but afterwards I don't remember what I was thinking about. What idea? That's why this concept is idea wrapped in that you have to ask the bridge question to you, why, what. Is first is what we have to do. काय करायचे आपल्याला प्रोजेक्ट? What do we have to do? Then second question, where you are going to find such these problems? What, where, then next, who is going to, who will be your customers? That we will go one by one. So first WH questions you should ask, and last question in that WH model should be how we are going to do. How means actually implementation of the project. So what if this is not done, then what should be the solution? And that's why I always focus mainly on the literature survey, because whatever papers you find related to your idea, then you should read the abstract and conclusion of the paper, and from that you should be able to know what is there in that project and which problem they have tackled. And then next question, by reading second paper, again you will read abstract and conclusion. Then after reading such 5-6 paper, you will understand if this can be converted or merged with this paper, then what should be the innovation? Like that way. Even we are doing PhD, then it's not that we are doing any invention, new invention. Invention has not been there. Methodology can be changed, and methodology can be changed in such a way that either we can increase the improve the efficiency of the project, either we can reduce the cost of the project, like that way. Means at a single time you are handling, in a whole PhD of 4 years, you are handling only 1 or 2 issues in your PhD also. So BTech project is again very small part of it. Word banking, and for that, word banking means you should take highlighting points. That means, what are the areas of the electrical engineering? What are the areas of the electrical engineering? EV is one of the area. Renewable energy is another area. Then drives and power system. Drives and electrical drives means your motor machine controlling through electronic devices is third area. Then power systems or other problem. Power quality problem is another area. And if you want to combine these areas with new things, that is neural network, etc., that will be another idea. But your project will be considered good quality if that will be a physical model. Some project can be a simulation model also. Some projects can be a simulation model also, but more weightage should be given for prototype model. And that's why you should be able to map your words. In certain highlighting points should be word mapping means mapping करायचे मला ह्या वर्डचं म्हणजे वर्ड मॅपिंग मध्ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट काय वर्ड मॅपिंग मध्ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट काय you are selecting the areas where you can do research, and with respect to that area you are finding any application. So by word mapping you can map your mind, and from that you can finally go towards the complete title of your project. Then use social media. Why social media should be used? But you are using only social media. That's why ready-made reports, ready-made project, ready-made diagrams, everything is getting ready. But you can take the help of that, but it should be combined with research papers, and then your new idea should be formed. And that's why I always insist that you should take the ready-made, even though you can take video, etc. from social media, but related to that you should read the technical papers, you should download the technical papers, and in that downloading process, yesterday's example only, they have given me one another idea, and that paper actually very quality paper, and then just I searched and see the authors, that paper was from IIT, hardware implementation. But they have found this, they have submitted with that paper, but whatever social media's ready-made project is there, that project they have taken diagram from that project. But paper was different, diagram was different. And your role is to combine that and do the things innovative. हे तुमचं काम. पण ते ॲज इट इज घेतलं की मग तिथे रेडीमेड मिळते म्हणजे 5-5 हजाराला कळतंय का? रिव्हर्स ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग. रिव्हर्स ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, इन द रिव्हर्स ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग काय करायचे? उलट्या गोष्टी करायच्या. रिव्हर्स ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग मध्ये काय करायचे? व्हॉट आर माय कस्टमर्स, व्हॉट आर देअर नीड्स. आता मी सिंपल एक्झाम्पल एखादं घेतलं की यू आर फाइंडिंग ओनली EV solution or at the last end of these slides I have and then my previous project, paper recycling project. So what are the needs? I will take with the same example, I will continue with my session. So paper recycling project they have taken 2 years back. You are one of the alumni has taken that project. So in the reverse brainstorming, what should be done? So what should be, whenever I am recycling the papers, then what should be my product? Out of that, काय product मध्ये generate होतील? Which product should be sold in the neighborhood of the area? कुठले प्रोजेक्ट त्यातनं बनवायला पाहिजेत मी रिसायकल करून? Which new formulation has been done so that it can be sold to nearby my region? So that what they thought, 8 carrots are there, then pomegranate carrots are there. Current finishing quality is not there at institute level. So if such carrots can be made, it can be easily sold to the farmers. So revenue generation can also be taken. So depending upon your, so you have to do reverse engineering. And then 100% they have done in the reverse engineering. They have visited one paper industry, even though pandemic period was there. And afterwards they thought of what can be done. Literally they went to Solapur, Bangar market. And all parts, Bangar market किलोवर देते लोक. त्याच्यातून त्यांनी प्रोजेक्ट जनरेट केला. सगळा प्रोजेक्ट त्यांनी त्याच्यातून जनरेट केला. अख्ख्या मशीन तुम्ही बघितलं कोणीतरी प्रेझेंट, somebody has presented, Viraj might be there. So everything they have brought from the scrap market. That is called as a reverse engineering. Even though you are handling any drone project, what now we are doing? We are not expertise in the drone. Then what we are doing? We have brought one ready-made drone. We are dismantling all parts of drone. Then how that drone parts can be replaced with our composite material, that way our research is going. I am also part of that drone. Myself and sir. But because 33 crores we have to do that. So certain innovation has to be done in that. So त्या दृष्टीने रिव्हर्स इंजिनिअरिंग करायचं. प्रत्येक वेळी तुम्हाला रेडीमेड काम येणार नाही. थोडे पैसे इन्व्हेस्ट करायची तयारी पाहिजे. आणि मग ते सगळे पार्टिसिपेंट करायचे. कसं जोडलंय बघायचं. त्याच्यानुसार मग ह्याच्यात काय बदललं, व्हॉट इनोव्हेशन वी कॅन डू, त्याच्यामध्ये दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ रिव्हर्स. Then brain writing. Brain writing for that Stanford methods is there. What is that? That I will explain. Role storming. What will not work. Role storming means keeping our feet in other shoes. Is called as a role storming. म्हणजे काय? आपले पाय दुसऱ्याच्या शूज मध्ये ठेवायचे तेव्हाच त्याचं दुखणं कळतं. That is called as a empathy. In short, empathy means role storming. Then once you keep your feet in other shoes, then we will realize what not should be done. Otherwise, we feel that whatever we are doing, that is correct. And if you go on the reverse side, then we will realize the pain of other side. And then your thinking will automatically goes to be developed. Then last is SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. So every time whenever doing any work, I always, even, so I have done SWOT analysis of department also. So what are the strengths of the department? How we can develop the strength in that area further, I can develop the strength. What are the opportunities to do in the electrical engineering and for the students? Then what are the opportunities, what are the weaknesses of the department? Then what are the strengths? कशाची भीती आहे? काय होऊ शकते? So all the, whenever you are doing any new work, so why I am telling this? Because you have to convert this into a startup now. Your project should be converted into startup level. So startup level, you should search the market. You should think about the market. And for that, for each and everything, SWOT analysis must be done. And the SWOT analysis is one of the part of your resume also. Then and then only you can talk on that. SWOT analysis स्वतःच करायलाच पाहिजे. What are my strengths? So you should focus or you should carry forward these strengths. So weaknesses should be high. And that's what SWOT analysis of each and every part should be. Whenever you are doing any new thing, when you are preparing even your resume, that time also you should do SWOT analysis. And for SWOT analysis, our branch partners are the best persons. They immediately tell what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. We don't realize, but others can realize immediately. दुसऱ्या लोकांना लगेच सापडतात. दुसऱ्या जागेवर लगेच सांगू शकतो. So these are the techniques for idea generation. So whenever you are searching any title for the project, that time you should think of all these stuff. Next slide. So what is the Stamper method? A successful method used to create creative thinking is the Stamper's technique. The name Stamper is substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another, use, eliminate, and reverse. So whatever just now I taught is related to that only. So yes, it's substitute. So if any existing methodology is there, can I substitute this methodology with new methodology? Is one of the part for your research. One of the part of your project. Second is, can you combine 2 to 3 methods and can you generate your own method? This can be combined. Then third, can adapt. Can you adapt new techniques? Suppose you are doing certain things manually. Can you do automatically? Can you implement new automative technique or IoT in that? That means what are the current market trends are there? Can you implement, can you adapt these current market trends? This is the third part in which you can do your innovation. Fourth part is modify. The existing design of machine can be modified to perform it better. Then fourth part will be modified. So in which area you can work? That I am saying. One, you can substitute the existing method with new method. You can combine 2-3 methods and you can form your new method. Now you have to think your project with respect to that. Third, can you adapt the new technology, IoT, etc., machine learning, neural network? Can you implement in doing whatever existing method is there? Can you implement this with neural network? Then modify. Can you modify the design itself? This basic innovation. When a motor is I want to reduce the weight of the motor. So can you replace copper windings with aluminum windings? Then what are the drawbacks of that? Then put to another's use. Put to another's means get to. दुसऱ्याच्या शूज मध्ये आपला पाय ठेवून करायचा. Then eliminate means बघा. So if I have done certain design, I will tell with respect to that lamp method, ceremonial lamp. Ceremonial lamp काय 8 तुमचे relays वापरले, 6 relays were used. So can you eliminate these 6 relays and with only 1 relay can I modify my project? येते का लक्षात? 1 relay झाला याचा अर्थ माझ्या रिलेचे कॉस्ट आहे रिड्यूस and I have new design with reduced cost. That can be eliminated and reverse engineering already I told, dismantling the things and then again assembling with innovative. Next. Idea generation process. In the idea generation process, how to search the idea, which parameter can be done in the innovation part that we have seen. Now what are the process? Idea generation process. Hypothesis of the problem. Hypothesis means I am expecting that my design should be like this way, or after my design my output should be like this. This is called as a hypothesis. आता माझा PhD चा प्रोजेक्ट होता काय? Multi-model adaptive control system for complex processes. So which complex process I am going to consider? And with that complex processes, how I am tackling with multiple model adaptive control system. That means I am deciding hypothesis at the end of 4 years related to my research. Is called as a hypothesis of the problem. म्हणजे शेवटचा आउटपुट माझं काय यायला पाहिजे हे मी डिसाइड करते. That is called as a hypothesis. I should get rank of this. Is my hypothesis. And to get that hypothesis into existing, what should be done? ही माझी प्रोसेस. So investigating what the unmet needs of our customers. म्हणजे काय करता येते? हायपोथेसिस मी काय करते? कस्टमरची नीड काय आहे? समजा एखादा तुम्ही प्रोजेक्ट करताय, चार्जिंग स्टेशन करताय, चार्जिंग स्टेशन्स. What are the need of the customer? So what are the need of the customer? Charging should be done as fast as possible till that period when you are that much time you are using for filling the diesel or petrol. 5 minutes जर diesel and petrol भरायला लागत असतील तर my charging should be done near about that time. Is the need of the customer, because everybody is in a hurry, nobody is ready to wait for half an hour for charging. So you should understand what is the need of the customer. Then explore possibilities to solve this problem. Then how can be done? So for fast charging, what should be done? Then capacitor has to be. Then capacitor means which capacitor is required? Can you do any modification in the design of the capacitor? So that way you have to think. Next one. Prototype generation. म्हणजे हे मी पहिला काय करते? काय करू शकतो on that and thinking. So in the second step, prototype generation must be tested a prototype to see if our solution solves the problem that we are called to solve. म्हणजे मी काय म्हणते? चार्जिंग स्टेशन डेव्हलप करणं is my hypothesis. And in that hypothesis, what problems can be solved, that I am focusing on. So at the end of generating a charging station at Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur, whether I am fulfilling need of the customers or not. म्हणजे ज्याच्यासाठी म्हणजे चार्जिंग होते का नाही हे चेक करू. म्हणजे in short, validation of the prototype. In short, म्हणजे मी काय म्हणते? पेपर जनरेट करायचं म्हणते तर पेपर जनरेट झाला का नाही, किंवा मी डिझाईन काय करते? एक ड्रोन जनरेट करते. ड्रोनचं काय पर्पज काय? फ्लाय करायचं आहे. सो whether my prototype is flying or not, that I have to test. That means validation of my design. That should be done. Next, try and return to reformulate. If I am able to fulfill my 60% of only needs, but whatever hypothesis I have decided that 40% part has not been fulfilled, then again flow chart line. Go back, what changes has to be done, and then accordingly further changes should be done. That is called as a try and return to reformulation. Start again to study a more profound solution that we are not meeting. Generate empathy with our customer is crucial to understand the behavior. Empathy means same thing. Putting our feet into other shoes. म्हणजे त्या कस्टमरची नीड काय? Some customers are focused on the quality. Some customers are focused on the cost. Some customers are focused on handiness. म्हणजे वेट कमी पाहिजे आणि इझिली कुठं हँडल व्हायला पाहिजे ते प्रोडक्ट. So accordingly, everybody's need is different, and you have, whenever you have to design, you have to categorize. जसं आपण म्हणतो की मोबाईल फोन्स काय करतो आपण? सगळ्या रेंज आहे. 10,000 वाले पण आहेत, त्याचे हे फीचर्स आहेत. लाख वाले पण आहेत, त्याचे हे फीचर्स आहेत. So depending upon customers' needs, you should be able to generate various products. Okay, next. So sources of idea generation. So idea generation, what are the sources? कुठून idea तुम्हाला मिळू शकतो? So first is dealers and representative, and that's why whenever you are solving any real-time problem, that time you should visit shops, dealers, etc. Suppose if you are doing, or if your project is modification in the design of any motor, that time what you are doing? मोटर सप्लाय करणारे जे आहेत त्यांच्या दुकानात जायचं की रिअल टाइम शेतकरी यूज करताना काय प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात त्यांना. That are your problems, or that are your problems that you are going to modify. म्हणजे पहिलं तुमचं काय आहे? डीलर्स अँड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह. म्हणजे कंपनीचे डीलर्स असतील, रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह असतील, त्यांच्याशी तुम्ही मार्केटिंग ऑफिसरशी डिस्कस करताय, and you are trying to understand what problems they are facing in the market. म्हणजे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आणि डीलर्सला फेस करताना तुम्ही या नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स की त्यांना मार्केटिंग करताना काय प्रॉब्लेम येतात, लोकांची मेंटॅलिटी काय आहे, हाऊ टू चेंज द, बिकॉज नाऊ एव्हरीबडी इज युझिंग vehicles with diesel and petrol. So changing the mentality of the people from diesel and petrol type of engine vehicles to EV, that requires a big change. म्हणजे लोकांना त्याला अवेअर करणं पहिलं गरजेचं. येते का मग म्हणजे कंपनीच्या लोकांचा पहिला प्रॉब्लेम काय, अवेअरनेस करणं. म्हणजे त्यांना एखादी गोष्ट सेल करताना काय प्रॉब्लेम येत आहे ते तुम्ही बघायला पाहिजे. मग कस्टमरला अट्रॅक्ट करायला काय करावं लागेल, मग तुमच्या डिझाईनमध्ये काय चेंजेस करायला. आर यू गेटिंग द थिंग्स. सेकंड इज कस्टमर. रियल कस्टमर जो एंड युजर आहे त्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम फेस होतो. You are seeing the Fair and Lovely screen ad, but Fair and Lovely has never faired the scheme. Yeah? So what problem is faced by real customer, ground level customer? Company is saying that our cream is too good. So that is their point of view. And actual pain of the customer that you should understand. So accordingly, your thinking or your idea should be generated. Then competitors. They are the best design. Seeing the competitors, you know the mobile phones is now. Every day, some modification in the design is happening. So by seeing the various competitors, every company is making changes in their design. Then next is top management. Top management म्हणजे कुठल्या गोष्टी असतात, फायनान्स. मॅनेजमेंट आलं म्हणजे फायनान्स. त्यांचे काय रिस्पेक्ट आहे, त्या रिस्पेक्टने तुम्हाला आर यू गोइंग टू रिड्यूस एनी कॉस्ट, आर यू गोइंग टू डू एनी कॉस्ट रिडक्शन इन युअर डिझाईन ऑर नॉट. करेक्ट. पुढं सायंटिफिक रिसर्च, तिकडं आपला मेजर गोल आहे की ॲज अ इंजिनियर हाऊ यू कॅन मॉडिफाय द डिझाईन ऑफ द थिंग. सो म्हणजे तुम्हाला आयडिया जनरेशन म्हणजे कुठला आयडिया तुम्हाला येऊ शकते. रिअल टाईमचे कस्टमर जे आहेत त्यांच्यापासून येऊ शकतात, कंपनीचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आहेत त्यांच्याकडून येऊ शकतात. सायंटिफिक रिसर्च म्हणजे तुम्ही ॲक्च्युअल जे रिसर्च करताय, म्हणजे रिसर्च पेपर वाचून या पहिल्या पेपरचा काय ड्रॉबॅक होता, दुसऱ्याचा काय होता, हाऊ यू कॅन डू द मॉडिफिकेशन, त्याच्यानुसार तुम्ही करू शकता. तिसरं काय, मिसलेनियस सोर्सेस म्हणजे सोशल मीडिया हे बाकीच्या गोष्टीमधून तुम्हाला कळतंय की where you can select the idea. Is this clear? So screening the ideas. Now I have idea rack, I have thousands of ideas, and that's why, sir, as per ISC discussion, we have to keep one box not near to HOD cabin. You keep near to any site or your lab, etc. And there, whatever idea seems to be in your mind, every 8 days that idea box will be open. You have to keep just post the idea, no name, etc. Nothing. With that idea, can we move your idea in the forward path for doing prototype or doing manufacturing or any business model that you want to follow? And I am the part of that process. त्यामुळे आयडिया क्लब जनरेट करायचं आहे आणि तुम्ही आयडिया क्लबला काय करायचं, यू सी ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेजेस असतात, इवन NITs and IIT. Your idea club is there, students are meeting after college hour, they are discussing. Means concrete discussions, not the discussions of Facebook, WhatsApp and stuff. आयडियाच्या थिंकिंगनी मग तिथंच ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करायचं, पण डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट द आयडिया ॲट द फर्स्ट डे. तुमच्या डोक्यात ज्या काय आयडिया येतील, पण हे असं केलं तर शेतकऱ्यांची काही प्रॉब्लेम असतील तर आयडिया बॉक्समध्ये टाकत राहायचं. दर 8-15 दिवसांनी ठेवलेलं असतं. त्यात परत ह्या गावच्या PhD सगळ्या लोकांचं इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी सगळ्यांचं एकत्र करून काय तयार होते का, त्याच्यावर आता आपण त्याला पुढच्या स्टेपला जायचं. बिकॉज last 3 years we got 4 star out of 5 star with that innovation ISC activities. And ISC activities, one part is innovation ambassador. So I am going to various schools, colleges for giving the lectures, thinking or developing the thinking of the students, etc. Faculty of the research. But as I thought that I am doing for all others, my students are remaining. So I thought that I should take the process. As this is project analyzation stage. So screening ideas, are they opportunities? Are there opportunities? What important customer problem can you going to solve? And this is the one part of lean canvas model and business model. So what important customer problem are you going to solve? Then how are you going to do it? म्हणजे कसं करणार आहे? How many customers are there that are willing to buy from you? Because MSME, most of the startups get failure. The reason is less market survey or considering that who are the customers that are going to buy your product. Then third, why can only you provide the solution? So what is the uniqueness of the solution? And the same question is faced by every time, and you might have seen that whenever you have uploaded, not your case, previous case, they have uploaded the data on the Yukti portal. That time they are not able to write even what are the innovation in your portal. माहितीच नाही कारण never thought process in that direction has been done. माझ्या पेपर मध्ये काय युनिकनेस मी करणार आहे कारण आहे हे बघा, if you open the Google, there are number of projects, microcontroller, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Linux. पण त्यात मी वेगळं काय करतात. At least मी असं म्हणत नाही की everybody should be start their business, but at least one step or at least 2 lines you should able to tell about your innovation. Viraj might have observed that whenever you have participated in Avishkar, what are the first question? What is the innovation in your project? So you should be able to write about the innovation. So why only you provide the solution? What is the uniqueness in your solution? Then how can you defend against others? Means what are the drawbacks of other methods? And that is called as a literature survey. And that's why I am always focusing more on the literature survey. At least you should be able to know what are the problems with the other. तर मग मी काय केले त्याला मी जस्टिफाय करू शकतो. येते का लक्षात? Same thing in the campus interviews also. What is uniqueness in mind? Why should company hire you? You should have very concrete, and that's why SWOT analysis is. Strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. हे जेव्हा स्वतःचे चक्के असतील ना, मग समोरच्याला कसं. So ask these questions before somebody else does. म्हणजे हे स्वतःला क्वेश्चन विचारायचे की दुसऱ्या सगळ्यांनी सगळ्याचा स्टडी करायचा. So what important customer problems are you going to solve? So how valuable, how painful? Remember, you need to change somebody's behavior to buy your product. It's self-explanatory. No need to explain. How your solution? Because that's what I told the example of mobile phones. Everybody's requirement is different. Some is considering the features, somebody is considering the look, somebody is considering the camera, somebody is considering the cost. So you have to focus at a time, at this stage at least at a time works. But it should not adversely affect the other 3 parameters. हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. Next. Screening and opportunities. Opportunities means how are you going to do it? So what is the business model? Product, distribution. What is the quality of the product? That is, what are the features of the product? What is the distribution? Means who are your distributors? Where you are going to supply? Location, because last month we visited to BARC. BARC has developed 250 products that can be deployed to the farmers. But all 250 products cannot be deployed to the region in the Pandharpur. पंढरपूरचं काय कल्चर आहे? वारकरी, शेतकरी हे कल्चर आहे. So modern एखादी product असली तर ती इथे नाही चालणार. So you have to consider the location also. Are you getting the thing? So every product actually that are the innovations of the BARC, but all the BARC innovation cannot be implemented here. So location also affects the much. Technology and innovation, that is real engineers part. So what is the innovation in your part? Then services. Are you going to provide the service further? Because always customers are interested. Suppose why still, even though EV market is booming, but why still not implemented or yet came to Pandharpur location? Service. Service. Saving is one shot work. But after that, servicing is the another part. And service, एकदा product विकला, तेच तुम्ही observe केलं असेल, during filter, water filter RO. त्याचं सर्व्हिसिंग जर नाही आलं तर कसं व्हायचं आहे? त्यामुळे प्रोडक्ट विकणे इज नॉट द लीड. सर्व्हिसिंग त्याचं तुमचं व्हायला पाहिजे. तर हे महत्वाचं आहे. सो whenever you are starting for or thinking to convert your innovation or your prototype into a business, that time which type of services are you going to give to the customers? On that also you have to speak. And branding means that is part of marketing, digital marketing, that part is there. Whenever any film star is doing the branding of the same, we feel that we should purchase that product. असं असते ना. So that is part of branding and etc. Marketing part. Next, screening and opportunities. 5 questions. How many customers are there that are willing to buy from you? म्हणजे कस्टमरचा सर्वे घ्यायला पाहिजे. तेच मी मगाशी सांगितलं. MSME मध्ये काय होते? Most of the startups get failure. Only 15% startups will continue. Reason काय? मार्केटचा सर्वे करायला कमी पडलं की मग तुमचा स्टार्टअप फेल झाला. So how many customers are there? Market size. आता बघा. Product cost is 50 rupees. But market size is big. त्यामुळे 50 rupees मध्ये मला 5 रुपयाचा बेनिफिट आहे. पण मार्केट साईज काय? त्या केसमध्ये माझा प्रोडक्ट सहभागी होईल. माझा काय प्रोडक्ट आहे लाखाचा, गाडी लाखाची आहे, पण त्या लाखामध्ये मला कस्टमर मिळणार आहे म्हणजे मल्टिपल 1000 मध्ये मिळणार आहे तर काय मिळणार. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आय what should be the market size, and not only market size, how many market size is big, how many will buy from